Hi there, students. Uproar, a noun. Uproarious, an adjective. Uproariously. Okay, so uproar, loud protest, noisy excitement, loud confused sounds. There was public uproar about the new proposed nuclear plant. Complaints, people complaining publicly. The teacher left the class and uproar ensued in the classroom. Noisy excitement, kids running around, doing things and making jokes. To quote Virginia Woolf, the uproar of the street sounded violently and hideously cacophonous. Okay, loud noises. Yes, the publication of the photographs caused uproar in the family. There was uproar in the bar when the national team scored, cheering and shouting, confused excitement. So, we use uproar in three ways, really. The first, protest and complaint. Public protest, public complaint. The decision caused public uproar. There was uproar in the press. And then uproar, loud noises. Yeah, maybe unpleasant as well. The uproar of the traffic. The uproar that came from the building site next to my office. The uproar of the pneumatic drill. And then finally, we use it meaning noisy excitement. Yeah, maybe protest, shouting of protest as well. There was uproar in the crowd when the police arrived. Now, uproarious and uproariously. Be careful with uproarious and uproariously. It can mean, or it can refer to loud, confused noises, but most commonly it refers to something that is incredibly funny, that gives fits of uncontrollable laughter. His jokes are uproariously funny. His performance was uproarious. When he's had a few drinks, he's uproarious. He's uproariously funny. Okay? So, uproarious, uproariously, incredibly funny. Yeah? Okay, let's see. What about formality? I think the noun uproar and uproarious and uproariously, these are all 5 in formality. These are flexible and you could use them anywhere. You could say a hubbub, a hullabaloo, shouting, a ruckus, and then uproarious, funny, yeah? Uproariously, incredibly funny. And then what about the origin? Well, probably this is a calque of the Dutch phrase oproar, or there is also a German one as well. But if you think about it, roar to roar, a lion roars. So there's an uproar, a loud roar. The roar of the crowd, somebody roaring with laughter, notice. Okay, so that's the idea. So uproar, protest, loud unpleasant noises, noisy excitement, noisy protest. There you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Uproar.